Welcome to the Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now, usually I avoid covering the little clips them, where circulate the internet. Right. But this time I'm gonna touch upon that one. You see, I avoid them because usually I don't have much to add. They're usually, self-explanatory or, so highly contentious that people make up their mind already. Let me say usually I avoid them. But today, I want to see one way, even by Iron Man standards, this one, right, is simply amazing. Amazing because it involves somebody, right, who Iron Man citizens claim say them love and support. Right. You see, if it was a man, it would make sense. Right. But a woman, a policewoman, I'm gonna show you a clip where, right, this is from CBM. Somebody record a video and then them splice up the video to simply make the police officers involved, right, look like a bunch of monsters who just go around, kick down and box some people. But then the full video go drop. No, right. People are saying they can't believe. Then that's how it really go. Let me tell you about these video clips, because remember, Iron Man is a very highly acidic society, whether you want to accept it or not. Right. The reality is that 87 is badness, bad man, usually given the benefit of the doubt, even if the person is not necessarily 87. If they're acting, extra aggressive and erratic and wild and all them things, people pick your side. That's more the norm than the exception. At least for them video clips that we're not talking about the average citizen walking around. We can only talk about what we see, let me say, in these video clips. I go first show you the video then put out, then I go show you the video, right, where have the extra piece to give the the real context. This one is extraordinary. Check this out. So as you can see, typical evil JC officer. Put her hand on the man for no reason. What him do? Just a man trying to make a living. So this is video clip. Now, even without the extra piece I'm gonna show you, when I see things like this, the question you need to ask, and the question me always ask is, where the rest right there? Because these things don't know, them always showing the moments right when the scuffle start. Will you notice? Somebody have video and them left off the entire build up and just show you the moment when the scuffle start, especially the moment where the police officer threw a hand or a foot. And then the video done. So it's like nothing police officer fling a lick video done. Me and exactly the rest of the video there. Because I want to come to a few conclusion. Maybe it's a case where the police officer is overstepping them boundaries and just a beat up people. These things happen. Right? Of course these things happen. Right? But maybe it's a case where the police officer was struck earlier by an object. Right? Maybe somebody licked the officer and made something and might fight back. Then that's a different story. But we need, we see the full video for the full context. When somebody cut out the video or the part of the video that show the context, that right just show me say they have an agenda. They're trying to make the public say, see it. This is why I don't deal with police. See, this is why and I saw the whole of them, and I saw they're trying to turn the public against the police. Now why would somebody want to do that? And let's just be clear, I'm not one of these, defend police at all costs type of people. JCF definitely have its share of elements where not just need to leave, but we got jail. So whenever these videos come out, I'm always looking. It's a case where it's one of them people. And usually when I see these police officers who do the traffic stops and everything, most of the time some kind of fight broke out, or somebody's just being difficult for no reason. Sometimes people just difficult for no reason when it comes down to the Irish constabulary force. Even the most basic of it, move a car from to go over there. So who you think I thought and war broke out? Same people when you see them in New York with the NYPD. They're so well behaved. Same people when you see them, in Florida, the Florida police, they're so well behaved. But for some reason when the Irish constabulary force say you're parking on a spot where it's illegal parking, so them start war and say a fight against them and fight broke. I'm showing the rest of the video. This is what them left off. And them left this out because they know if people see this, then people would be on the policewoman's side. But they can't have that. They can't have that. Check this out. No. When you see that, the man boxed off the policewoman at top of her head. She then started to lick him afterwards. Now, the activist I got tell you, say, I don't care what happened, she should have done that, shouldn't. That's all good and well in the comfort of your air-conditioned office. But what me seen in the video there, that the lick that me see, he give the woman in her face. Him lucky, that's all him get. There is nothing Officer Gwyneth from the NYPD can say to him or do to him from raise him on the car. Nothing. Him rather go write statement, him rather go ball upon him long live tick there. Him rather call Oprah, him rather call Gail, him would call CNN, him would call Fox, but he will not raise his hand and give Gwyneth. Officer Gwyneth from the NYPD, that licked in her face. Come think of it, she's fairly strong because she managed to put on her foot, see me after that they lick them. That's a full grown male. People who dip on the scene see everything, them now work off on a video clip or cut up. Them see everything and still take the man's side after make the policeman in her face. That shows you the only time the public, quote unquote, don't support women is if that woman is a police officer. The only time the public don't take woman's side is if that woman is a police officer. So if you're a man out there and you want the public to take your side against a woman in the public, make sure you say, is a police officer. You're a warrior. A female police officer. That's the only. Even your woman a ball and a big female. Take off the uniform for that woman and make him lick her so. And then you're a difference too. Everybody be saying, you can't do that. Somebody might even rush him. But because she's in a uniform, then she be dead. She deserves what she get. Public side of the man. And then somebody record this and cut out the part there and put out one part there because they know how to react on social media. The only time the public will support a man boxing a woman is if the woman is a police officer. In every other instance, zero tolerance for violence against you. In every other instance, them say if you even raise your hand up a woman if you did. Matter of fact, them say if you even shout at a woman if you did. Them say it's not even just physical abuse, just verbal abuse if you did. But if that woman is wearing a police uniform, if that woman is a member of the JCF, then box her down, kick her down, dump her up. We'll back you. Since then so bad, box down clans. According to your narrative, the most evil group in Ireland is the JCF, the police. That's the ultimate monster. So if you can get the strength to box down the ultimate monster, why wouldn't you box down the lesser monster, which is 87? I don't know if it's because of the female officer. Even the male officer who was there. If a certain man did and see a box then female's body, so things would have turned out look different. So anyway, Patriot Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.